Welcome viewers to Softdemy, a software engineering academy. Today we will learn about how to assign or how to remove multiple resources from your multiple activities in Primavera P6. So here we will open Primavera P6. So this video will be going to be great. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends and also press the bell icon and like, share and comment. So here we have opened my Primavera P6 project and already I have opened the project having the resources. You can see in the resource assignment we have also resources here. Here we will open Primavera P6 activities tab and we will go here in the column and we will open resources here. So here we got resources column and we will put that one after the finish, apply OK. So you can see resources here and how many resources we have assigned. You can see here process design, civil engineering, stationary equipment, so piping material. So we have a lot of resources here. So first of all we will see how to add resource here. I will add in 2 or 3 WBS. I will add resources in 2 or 3 WBS. First of all, just select one activity here, this one activity, only one activity and add resource. So when open the add resource option, here we have assigning resource option here. So here we will close this window, shorten this window to see all the activities here. So first of all, I will add a resource here, this one, maybe in 3 WBS. People think that we cannot select in the WBS. So we can select the WBS. We will assign instrument engineer here. For example, we assign instrument engineer to all one. So that one is assigning. I will just press the double click here and it will be assigned. You will see here. So with the basic design, we can see here instrument also assigned. We can assign one more, no issue. When we select all activities, we can assign any electrical to this one. So you will see all activities have multiple assigned and a resource, a new resource. So what we will do, we will go here in the basic concept. How will we remove these resources which I have assigned now? So I selected the same activity and I select the electrical which I have additionally assigned and just press this one, and now I will press, I have additionally assigned instrument engineering. I will press the cross option here and then I will press yes. So that resources will be deleted. You can see only process design engineer here. So also we have another question, how we know that all the activities have, or maybe some activities have a different resources. For example, this one activity have this resource, civil engineer, this activity have electrical, this activity have piping material, this activity have stationary equipment, this activity have electrical. So we have a random resources. So how can we delete? So first of all we select the first and the last of the project and then we will select all from here also and we should remove all this one. So there will be no resource and the all project and the whole multiple activities which we selected will be empty. See here. So this one you can see here resources and when I will remove that one, so these are resources, the selected resources are the activities which having an actual will be deleted. You can see the option which is realizing it will not show again. So you can see here all resources are removed from all activities, all resources here. It's easy to remove multiple resources from multiple activities on one single click while going to assign or add resource and just click the all activities from here and all resources from here combinedly and you can delete all your activities. So we will go behind. So there is an option in Primavera P6, you can go behind and assign the same resources. When I press Ctrl Z, it will reload our all resources and we can just remove the additional resources which we have assigned. The stationery, you can see stationery, and easily remove the additional resources which I have assigned. Just single click. So single click maybe take time, but by removing the activities by one click, it's a trick. You should know about that one. So select. So that's one is a single activity removing trick you use in your daily working. But how to remove multiple resources from multiple activities, this one method is a very useful method. And to assign one resource to whole project, just press Control A. First select the one activity and just click on add resource here. Make sure your activity should not be milestone activity. May consider don't select any activity which have a zero duration or zero activity duration, or activity type should be start milestone or finish milestone. Don't select that activity. It will be not taken by assigning resources. So thanks for watching. This was our today's content, and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We will meet in next video. If you have any content suggestion, you can write in comments. Thanks. We will meet in next video.